First, we're going to scaffold out our new directive by using the means generator. So we go down to ng-directive. We'll give it a name of test directive. We're just going to leave it as a blank folder. We're going to use less as our preprocessor, and we're going to let grunt run to do everything we need to do to use our new directive. Now as that's running, we're going to take a look at our new directive that was created for us. So you see here in directives we have this new folder called test directive, and we have this test directive.js. We're going to open that up, and we have some boilerplate here for us. TOC stands for table of contents. We have some parameters here that we're going to pass into the directive, dependencies if we have any of those, and then example usage. Down here we have our actual directive with some scope properties. If we want to pass those in, it'll default to blank. Our template function for the HTML, and our link and controller. So we're going to go through those each one by one. The first thing we're going to do is just start with the HTML. So it just defaults by saying test directive. We can just edit that right here to say test directive 1 and save that. And now what we can do is actually use this directive by copying this example usage into a file. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to put it in a test page. We open up our test page, go to test HTML, paste in that text up here at the top, save that, and then it's going to show up in our browser. We need to compile it, so we just run grunt q. And now when we go back and refresh the page, now we have this new text that says test directive 1, which is what we typed. So if we go back to our directive, we can add a little bit more functionality. We can change our HTML to be whatever we want. It's just HTML strings, so we can put in another div here. We can just use inline styles for now and say we want this to be blue text and say hello, I'm blue text. Save that, go back to our browser, refresh, and we have some blue text right here. So that's the basics of a directive, and we'll save the rest for the next video.